My name is Yiqing. In this video, I will talk about how to close the achievement gap because it is a serious problem in education area, especially in my country, China. So I come up with 3 key ideas to figure out. The first one is increasing more interesting curriculums. According to the reading Closing Achievement Gap, the author said it can increase learning expectation to all of students. Teachers teach different groups classes. They can learn more about different characteristics from the student. Opening more interesting curriculum means school will spend much money to hire famous professor and provide more relative resources for this class. School pay much attention to students to educate them. Students can form a right value, behavior, and learning attitude. Teachers encourage them, guide them to develop their interests. Also, students find what they really want to do. They will work harder, pay much attention to study. Most of students will get higher grades and receive extensive education. The second one is provide equal education. From same age and reading achievement gap from African American and Hispanic students. Those students have some income problem. Their parents cannot afford their tuition fee for them to educate, so they have to study in poor school, receive unequal education. Though educators cannot eliminate equality in education, they contribute some useful resources to share. Also, if governmenters pay much attention to school construction, such as financial aid, to more money to poor schools, improve their equipment. Students who are not going to exclusive school can enjoy their same materials. The third one is setting some classes that have a minimal requirement. If students cannot get a C, they cannot pass this class. In my country, China, nearly all of teachers just focus on final grades. Students' homework quizzes cannot be recorded, which cause students just spend few days before final day on study. It's easy for them to forget what they learned, but for some students who are really responsible for them, they really care about all of grades and they will work harder. Therefore, the achievement gap will become bigger and bigger. In this reading, the author used quality for New York State Regents diploma as an example. Students forced to pass at a minimum and register 8 end of courses, 2 examinations. This strategy reflects super strong belief in external evaluation of student learning. I'm sure if I use this similar way to my teaching plan in China, the achievement gap will be reduced.